Let us discuss about thyroglossal cyst. Thyroglossal cyst. Thyroglossal cyst. In thyroglossal cyst, what happens is, this is thyroid gland. Okay, suppose it is thyroid gland. This is tongue, right? So there is some connection between tongue and thyroid gland, and the cyst is present in that connection. Cyst is present in that connection. Okay, so there will be cyst in connection to thyroid and tongue. Cyst in connection to tongue and thyroid. Okay, it is a congenital defect. It is mostly seen in the age group of 15 to 30 years. The most common location is subhyoid. This is the most common location, subhyoid. Most common location. Other locations are suprahyoid, near thyroid cartilage, near foramen of cecum, near foramen cecum, or in the floor of mouth, in the floor of tongue. So the most common site is subhyoid. Other locations are suprahyoid, near thyroid cartilage, or near foramen cecum, or in the floor of tongue. These are the various sites. Then what are the complications of this thyroglossal cyst? This thyroglossal cyst can get infected and results in the formation of abscesses. Okay, and if these abscesses are drained by giving incision, and this leads to thyroglossal fistula formation. And there is increased risk of papillary carcinoma of thyroid. There will be increased risk of papillary carcinoma of thyroid. Papillary carcinoma of thyroid.